I know it's probably dark in here right now. I know the lighting is probably bad, but we are on our way to clean out the car. We're going to the... that girl could have waited to turn. I mean, come on. This is not even that serious. People be ready to cause whole accidents and going nowhere fast. Like, why is everybody driving so fast? We're on our way to the car wash to clean the outside of the car and the inside of the car because it's looking crazy, kind of like my hair. And after that, we are going to link up with my mom. We are going to go and get some stuff for the engagement party. So let's head to the car wash. All right, made it to the car wash. At the car wash. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm low-key embarrassed, but it's dirty in here, y'all. Just so much stuff. Green pants back here. I got a cup of water. I don't have no kids, nobody's in the third row, so I ain't gonna worry about all that. Let's get to the beginning. Time to vacuum. Now we are in line for the car wash, which is going to probably take forever, as you can see.
Thank you for your business. We look forward to seeing.
All right, y'all, so we just paid for our car wash. As you can see, we got the $7 wash because I never would pay over $10 for a car wash. You know why? Because it rains and Michigan weather is crazy, so I'm not about to spend extra money on no car wash when it's gonna get dirty the next day. So let's get on up in this car wash. Get on up in this car. Get on up in this car. Please don't spray me with the water. Oh, it's so hard getting on this thing. The heck? Oh, y'all, the car wash is so scary. Splash. All right, y'all. Jackie's so mad because he's still waiting to get in the car wash right now. He was like a car behind me, but now he's like 20 cars behind me because people couldn't pay. Yahoo! Yes, baby, I love a clean car. Everybody be looking at me, y'all, and I do not be caring because y'all my best friends. I'm gonna talk to y'all. I don't care. Camera is out. Buns is out. What's really good? Getting dried off, baby. Oh. I gotta get off the belt. How about I get off the belt? I thought it was gonna push me all the way out. All right, let's dry off the little bits and pieces we have to dry off. So now we have cleaned out the car, full gas, gas on full, boo-boo, okay? So now, about to go home and get ourselves together. And then, like I told y'all, we about to ride out with my mama. We're gonna pull up on her. And we about to go to this decor tent rental place to, ooh. Y'all almost got me a dang on ticket. Let me put y'all away. All right, y'all, so we made it back home. And we are in the bathroom. As you can see. Well, you can't really see, but like I said, we're in the bathroom, so you gotta believe me anyway. I'm about to show y'all, like I told you in the last vlog, how this conditioner works on my hair. My lips is so ashy. I don't care. All right, let's get to wetting our hair. My hair is so dry. My goodness. Dang. I'm gonna put a little dab. That was so lame. It smells so good though. It smells like coconut. Ooh, but y'all, this how I look. That conditioner is pretty good. No cap, no cap. It was looking dry earlier, but now we getting a little oily. Ooh, good. I'm probably not gonna straighten my hair for a while. Let's do the other side. Let go. Please just work with me. Please just work with me. My arms. For the conditioner. For the conditioner. She's biracial. She's biracial. Y'all, I watch too much TikTok. It be all in my head. The songs be playing in my head all day. You don't even gotta go to college no more. You can go to TikTok University. Go on TikTok and watch that video, y'all. It's so funny. Alright, y'all, so look. That conditioner is doing pretty good. It's giving me, push your on, I'ma put this on. When you see me in my dress, I'ma get this on. Hey, hey. Or should I say Ashanti? I'm on my Beyonce. Let me stop playing. But yes, I like this conditioner, y'all. It worked. It worked for me. It worked. But I'm gonna keep using this for a while. Period. Now let's get ready to go with my mama to the tent rental place. Okay? Because we about to be late. Y'all, so we have left from the Canton Canopies, I think it's called. It's a tent rental place where you rent the linen, the chairs, the tables, all of that shebang. So we have picked out what all we need. Shout out to my mama. But anywho, we picked out all the stuff that we need. We're going with white and gold. The theme of the engagement party is called the I Do Barbecue. Now it's getting late and I'm just about to pick up food, go home. So I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow or in the next video. Thank y'all so much for hanging with me. I really appreciate it, as always, boo. See you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.